Welcome to our channel IYAL GURU. Today we are going to tackle 25 challenging multiple choice questions from Class 9 Science Chapter 1 Matter in Our Surroundings. This video will feature MCQs with answer. After each question, you will have a minimum of 10 seconds gap to guess the answer. Let's get started with the quiz. First quiz. When Dettol is added to water and mixed, it spread throughout the solution. What property of particle does this illustrate? The correct answer is option B. Particle of matter have space between them. Second quiz. Which of the following activities best show that particles of matter have space between them? The correct answer is option B. Salt dissolving evenly in water. Third quiz. What happens to kinetic energy of particles as temperature increases? The correct answer is option C. It increases. Fourth quiz. What happens to the rate of diffusion when the temperature increases? The correct answer is option C. It increases. Fifth quiz. When a drop of ink is added to water, it slowly spreads throughout the water. This process is known as. The correct answer is option C. Diffusion. Sixth quiz. Which substance do you think has particles held together with the greatest force? The correct answer is option A. Iron nail. Seventh quiz. Which property differentiate liquid from solids? The correct answer is option B. Ability to flow. Eighth quiz. What property allows gases like oxygen and carbon dioxide to dissolve in water? The correct answer is option B. They diffuse into liquids. Ninth quiz. Which of the following best describes the compressibility of solids? The correct answer is option D. Negligibly compressible. 10th quiz. Why do aquatic animals need dissolved oxygen in water? The correct answer is option B. To breathe and survive. 11th quiz. Which of the following is not a characteristic of a solid? The correct answer is option D. High compressibility. 12th quiz. What happens to the volume of liquid when poured into containers of different shapes? The correct answer is option B. It remains the same. 13th quiz. What property of gases allows the smell of food to reach our nostrils quickly? The correct answer is option C, high diffusion rate. 14th case. Ice floats on water because the correct answer is option C, ice is less dense than water. 15th case. During melting, the temperature of substance, the correct answer is option C, remain constant until all the solid melts. 16th case. Which property is not a characteristic of gaseous state of matter? The correct answer is option A, rigidity. 17th case. Which of the following is not a characteristic difference between the three states of matter? The correct answer is option D, color. 18th case. The temperature at which solid changes into liquid at atmospheric pressure is called. The correct answer is option D, melting point. 19th case. What is the boiling point of water on the Kelvin scale? The correct answer is option C, 373 Kelvin. 20th case. What is the melting point of ice in Kelvin? The correct answer is option B, 273.15 Kelvin. 21st case. Which factor determines the state of a substance? The correct answer is option C, temperature and pressure. 22nd case. Which of the following can be liquefied by applying pressure and reducing temperature? The correct answer is option C, gaseous carbon dioxide. 23rd case. What happens to the rate of evaporation when humidity in the air is high? The correct answer is option B, decreases. 24th case. What happens to the rate of evaporation if the surface area of liquid is increased? The correct answer is option C, it increases. Last case. What property of cotton makes it suitable for summer wear? The correct answer is option C, good absorber of water. That's the end of this quiz video. I like to know your score. Please type in comment. And don't forget to like this video and share it with your friends. Thank you.